Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Sahara AI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Sahara AI is the first full stack AI native blockchain platform where anyone can create, contribute to and monetize AI development, making the future of AI more accessible, equitable and open to all. Built on the Solana blockchain, Sahara's AI comprehensive platform consists of a data services platform for data labeling and refinement, an AI developer platform for model creation, deployment, and tooling, and a decentralized AI marketplace where everyone can buy and sell data sets, models, agents, and compute. Sahara AI is developed by Sahara Labs, a lending research and development organization trusted by leading tech innovators and research institutions. Sahara AI is a decentralized network designed to make artificial intelligence models and computing power accessible and verifiable on the blockchain. Sahara AI project institution rating is 3.4. Sahara AI token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.9 billion. Sahara token is listed on Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.